Assalamu alaikum. I am Ripaktar and my ID is 232154117. Today I am going to present lecture 5 slide 2 to 5. My presentation covers transducers, advantage of electrical transducer, classification of transducers and resistive transducers. Let's start with the first topic. Transducers. What is a transducer? Transducer is the process of converting one form of energy into another. A transducer is a device that performs this conversion. In real life, quantities such as temperature, pressure, force, and displacement are not electrical. However, electrical signals are easier to measure and process. Therefore, electrical transducers are used to convert physical quantities into electrical signals. They offer better accuracy, higher sensitivity, and faster signal transmission. Next slide, please. Now let's look at the advantages of electrical transducers. They provide easy data handling and processing, low power consumptions, then reduced friction and interior, easy signal amplification and attenuation. Then compact size though miniaturization and at last remote monitoring and control capability. Because of these advantages, electrical transducers are widely used in modern measurement systems. Next slide. Classifications of transducers. Transducers can be classified based on the electrical parameter that changes. The main types are resistive, capacitive, inductive, voltage and current transducers. Another classification is based on sensing stages. Now, a primary transducer directly senses the physical quantity, then the secondary transducer receives the output from a primary transducer and converts it into an electrical signal. For example, in a pressure meter, the Burton tube senses pressure first, then a secondary transducer converts that movement into an electrical signal. Next slide. Resistive transducer. A resistive transducer works on the principle that resistance changes when a physical quantity changes. The resistance equation is R equal rho L by A. This means resistance depends on resistivity, length, and area. If any of these values changes, resistance also changes. These transducers are commonly used for measuring temperature, strain, force, pressure, and displacement. A common example is the RTT or resistance temperature detector, where resistance increases as temperature increases. That's all I had to say today. Thank you, everyone.